Can you imagine a world where conversations with artificial intelligence become as natural and as engaging as those with our fellow humans? Well, we're living in it. The revolution of artificial intelligence and machine learning has brought us to the era of Generative Pretrained Transformers, or GPT for short. The journey of GPT is a fascinating one. It all started in June of 2018 with the release of GPT-1 by OpenAI. This initial model had a whopping 117 million parameters and was a game-changer, demonstrating the power of unsupervised learning. About a year later, in June of 2019, GPT-2 arrived, boasting 1.5 billion parameters. It was so effective at generating human-like text that OpenAI initially refused to release the full model, fearing misuse. However, by November of that same year, they did release it, citing no significant real-world harm. Fast forward to June 2020, when the world met GPT-3. With a staggering 175 billion parameters, GPT-3's capabilities are mind-boggling. It can write articles, answer questions, translate languages, and even write Python code, all while sounding eerily human. So, what does all this mean? What's the big deal about GPT chat? Well, the implications are vast. GPT chat is not just about having a conversation with a bot, it's about having a bot that can understand context, generate relevant responses, and even exhibit a sense of humor. It's a bot that can learn from its interactions and improve over time. GPT chat holds massive potential for businesses too. Customer service can be revolutionized with bots that can understand and respond to complex queries. Content creation can be automated with bots capable of writing engaging articles and social media posts. But it's not all rosy. As with all advancements in technology, there are risks. The potential for misuse is real. From generating misleading information to creating deepfake content, the power of GPT chat can be used for nefarious purposes. And then there's the question of job displacement. As bots become more capable, the fear of humans being replaced looms large. So, are we heading towards a future where bots will be our new friends, colleagues, and content creators? Or are we opening a Pandora's box of potential problems? Only time will tell. But one thing is for sure, GPT chat is here to stay, and it's changing the way we interact with technology. This is the story of GPT chat, a journey of innovation, potential, risks, and an undeniable impact on our lives. It's a testament to our relentless pursuit of technological advancement and the ever-blurring lines between human and artificial intelligence.